In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Nesting is a simple, powerful way to keep your edit clean, apply effects to a group of clips at once, and move complex sections around without breaking anything. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll share a few practical tips so you understand exactly what's happening behind the scenes. First, look at the section of your timeline you want to group. Click to select the clips you want to include. You can drag a lasso to grab a range, or hold Shift and click to add or remove specific clips. It's okay if your selection spans multiple tracks or includes both video and audio. The key is that every piece you want to keep together is highlighted. If you're unsure, zoom in a little so you can clearly see the clip edges and avoid missing something important. Think of this step as telling your editor these belong together. Once your clips are selected, right-click on any one of them and choose Nest. This command wraps your selected clips into a single container on the timeline. You'll see a prompt appear asking you to confirm the new nested sequence. This is normal. Your editor is about to create a tidy package that keeps everything you selected in sync. When the naming box appears, give your nest a clear descriptive name, then click OK. A good name makes a huge difference later. Try something that mirrors its purpose, like intro montage or B-roll sequence, and include a version or date if you expect to refine it over time. After you confirm, you'll notice your selection collapses into a single clip on the timeline. Nothing is lost. Your original clips are safely inside that nest, exactly in the order and timing you arranged. From here, treat the nest like any other clip. You can trim it, move it as one unit, or apply transitions and effects to the entire group, knowing everything inside stays perfectly aligned. This is especially helpful